You have to let go for the next place that God is calling you to, because God has not given them clearance to go with you. See, sometimes God makes a decision and we keep fiddling around and playing around in our emotions because of how we feel about a thing or how we feel about a person. But one thing I've learned about God is he doesn't bend by our emotions and he doesn't bend by our feelings. He is God. But at the end of the day, it's going to be exactly what he said. Time's up. Oh, glory be to God. Don't you mourn over anybody that God has moved out of your life. Don't be like Lot's wife. Don't you look back. Don't mourn over them. Don't try to figure out why. Listen, straight ahead, because you have purpose, you have destiny, you have an assignment. Keep your heart pure. Love God, love people, let them go. There are people that you have